Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a product that has truly transformed my sleeping experience. A waterproof cover quilted cotton mattress that I bought online. This isn't just any mattress cover, it's waterproof, quilted, and made of cotton. It's perfect for those who want to protect their mattress from spills and stains while also adding an extra layer of comfort. The quilted cotton surface adds a plush, comfortable layer to your bed. It's soft to touch and adds a luxurious feel to your sleeping experience. Installation is a breeze. Just slip it over to your mattress like a fitted sheet and you're good to go. Since I started using this mattress cover, my sleep has improved significantly. Not only does it protect my mattress, but it also provides an extra layer of comfort that makes my bed feel like a cloud. I bought this mattress cover from Lazada and I couldn't be happier with my purchase. The ordering process was smooth and the product arrived in perfect condition. So if you're looking for a way to protect your mattress and enhance your sleep, I highly recommend this waterproof quilted cotton mattress. It's a game changer. That's it for today's video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my videos. And as always, sweet dreams!